Welcome to the Thrifty Pilot. In today's video, we're discussing essential safety equipment to keep in your plane for emergencies. Whether you encounter a mechanical issue, adverse weather conditions, or other unexpected challenges, having the right tools and resources can make all the difference in ensuring a safe outcome. First and foremost, prioritize personal safety equipment for you and your passengers. This includes life vests for flights over water, survival kits with essential supplies like food, water, and signaling devices, as well as comprehensive first aid kits to address minor injuries and medical emergencies. Communication is key during emergencies. Ensure you have reliable communication devices on board, such as handheld aviation radios and satellite phones. Additionally, consider carrying an emergency locator transmitter, ELT, or personal locator beacon, PLB, to alert search and rescue teams of your location in case of an emergency. In the event of navigational challenges or loss of communication, having backup navigation tools is essential. Carry updated GPS devices, aviation charts, and handheld compasses to maintain situational awareness and navigate safely to your destination or an alternate landing site. Be prepared for onboard fires or other emergencies, with fire extinguishers strategically placed throughout the aircraft. Additionally, consider installing emergency hammers to break windows in case of a water landing, and ensure all emergency exits are accessible and operational. Lastly, equip your plane with comprehensive emergency procedure manuals, checklists, and training materials. Familiarize yourself and your passengers with emergency protocols and practice drills regularly to ensure everyone knows what to do in case of an emergency. By prioritizing safety equipment and preparedness, you can mitigate risks and respond effectively to emergencies while flying. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the Thrifty Pilot for more aviation safety tips and insights. Thanks for watching and fly safe.